Hi friends, this is Ashish from openquizzes.com. Okay, so today I am going to tell you what you can do as an institute, like adding home pages and notices. So I will just tell you how you can utilize openquizzes.com to create your own home page and to create your own notices. You can send some notices to your students about your language classes or your uh, any classes which you are doing, batches. Okay, so how you will do that? First, before you can create your own homepage, you have to register. So there is a free trial, 30-day trial, which you can utilize. And this is the page where you can go to products and services and go to register institute 30-day trial. Okay, you can fill up the form here. So with this 30-day trial, you get a quiz maker. So there is a separate video which we have covered how you can create your own quizzes at openquizzes.com. You can go to that video and see. Today I would be covering homepage feature basically, and maybe if I would be able to cover, I would be able to cover the notice board feature also. So let's get started. So institution registration, as I told you, you can just come here and you can register a 30-day trial, and you can just register here. And once you register, you can go to login. I'm already logged in, but I will show you where you can go and log in. You can go to my accounts page, uh, and you can. I'm just logging out to show you how you can log in. I already have a trial account. So I am not going to show you how to create a trial account. That's very simple. You can just go and create it. I'm just showing you how to you can from login. Okay, so you just log in. And once you log in, you can see this institute menu is already open for all the logged in users who are, who have free trial account or who have taken our standard or pro subscriptions for institute. So you can start from the free trial. That's good. Okay, that gives you all the facilities. Today I'm going to show you how to add your own homepage. Okay, so it's very simple. You can just go to your add homepage button. It will tell you what will be the title of your homepage. Suppose your homepage is like language institute, you can put some, okay, German language institute or whatever. Okay, you can give uh, name. Okay, so this is the title of your homepage. It comes at this side, this place. Then the featured image. Okay, this will come as a logo of your homepage. Then your name. Okay, you can also give a web URL, like you can give your Facebook account or something, okay, or any other web URL which you want to put on your homepage. Okay, a phone number, email, basic things you can put. Which subjects you are going to teach. Okay, so these all subjects also would be displayed on your homepage. You can put some content about a brief history of your uh, institute or different your location, where you can just choose on the Google map and you can put the location. And if you are registering as an institute or an individual, public institute or a private institute, you can just mark. Let us suppose you are individual, you can just mark it as individual. Then are you a teacher, tutor, administrator, staff? Okay, you can just, I mean, you can just have it anything, but yeah. uh, then homepage logo, again you can put a homepage logo. Then a tagline, like just a tagline about your institute, and a keynote from the principal to the students, total number of students, year of establishment, some more information about your school, whether you teach online, you assess online. Okay, and there are some, you can also put staff images. Okay, you can just put images of your staff, like faculty. Okay, there are, you get an option to add 4 images. Staff one, you can put their biodata also. Okay, what they do and what they have been doing recently, what is their interests. You can put 4 biodatas of the people who are teaching. Then any accreditations. Okay, like if your institute is UGC granted, or if it has any certifications you can put, and just you press the add homepage button, your institute would be created. So I'm not going to create the institute, I'm just going to show an institute which is already created. Okay, so this was an institute. It's a simple uh, just a simple logo will come like this, then the name of the institute will come, whatever you put in the content it will come in the brief description, then keynote from the principal. Okay, then the image, the staff image one which we had put, that will come here, a brief description about the person, and then other staff images. Also, in the last video I told you how to create quizzes. So whatever quizzes you create in openquizzes.com, they will come here in your homepage also. Okay, so a person can play quizzes. Okay, then whatever notices you give, there is a, if you go here in the institute, you can add notices. So whatever notices you add, they will appear in your home pages also. Okay, then key information which you had already inputted. Okay, when your institute was established, what are the key subjects you are teaching, any accreditations, address. Okay, and this is a contact form. So this is a free contact form which comes with every home page. Any person who wants to contact you, it will come to your email. So just bear in mind, when you put details about your institute, please put correct email ID of your institute, because whenever some person puts a form, puts something, some message here, it will go to your email ID which you have registered while you were creating the home page. So your home page information should be correct, otherwise this form will not work. Okay, so this is a very simple page, like in 4 or 5 minutes you can just quickly create your home page. This is a link of your home page, you can just send it across to any of your students, and then they can see all the activities, especially this notice board is very good. Okay, and see here, now you are getting edit notice board, but your student will not, because we have all, you have logged in as a teacher, so that is why you will be able to edit these notices from here itself. But uh, when some other person will see, he will not get this edit notice button. Okay, so this is a simple. I'll just quickly show you the notice, how to create. Actually, notice is a separate. You can create a notice through a separate window. Also, you can just go here and press add notice. Okay, and you can just put the information about your name, institute, any URL, phone number, and the address, and a brief content about what you want to tell. And if it is an event, like if you are, it's an admission starting somewhere, you can put the location. And also validity of notice. See, notices would be shown on your home page, but if you like, you get to add about 20 notices per year. Okay, but 20 notices would be very difficult for showing in your homepage. Generally it will show like only relevant 3 to 4 notices. So bear in mind, I mean, if you put a validity date, these notices will automatically go away from your institute homepage. Okay. Also, these notices will also appear in the main website, that is the Open Quizzes main website. Okay. Uh, if you go this to home page, in this home page also these notices will appear. Also, all your quizzes will also appear in the home page, also in the main home page. So uh, so as an institute, you get an ability to create your own homepage, which I already showed you. And within that homepage, you can create notices. Okay. And yes, and of course, quizzes. Open quizzes is all about quizzes. So you can definitely, there is a separate video of how to create quizzes, and you can refer it. Okay, so for today I will just close this video as of now, and I'll come back with you with uh, uh, new videos about latest features for institutes. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.